Hello there, good morning all of you and welcome back to the channel. It is really always been an honor you guys take your time to have a look on these videos. This video is actually a road towards to learn the English language. If you guys get the hang of these tips and tricks, so inshallah you are gonna have a tremendous change in your English speaking. Please stay tuned with the slides. Let's get jump into it. So thank you very much guys for having watched this video. If you have any question, please write it down. You are going to be answered very soon. So thank you very much for watching the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Inshallah in next video gonna come in here again with new topic. Till then, Allah Nigeban.